Xenon soundboard, Sounds Plus actually, and the Vocalizer board, which is nothing more than, you just heard that boot, but this Vocalizer board is nothing more than a Ram truck, or a round truck, to accommodate all the various Xenon voices. So let's test it first with the diagnostic switch.
Oh, enter Xenon.
2, welcome to Xenon. Line again. Tube shot 1, exit.
Okay, everybody settle down now. Let's start a game here. If I can get a game on here. Couple games. Starting a game. Trying to start a game. Here we go.
Enter Xenon.
Hit a few buttons. I must have hit the tilt button, or slam tilt switch or something, because the CPU rebooted. But I'm going to call this board pair completely working, and I thank the client for sending them to me. This thing had quite a few issues, starting with a dead 6821 here, and somebody was trying to saw off one of the keys here and damaged the ribbon, so I had to fabricate a new ribbon. And then I suspected this header was bad, so I replaced it, but one of the big causes was a cold solder joint on this cap right here. All better now, all new sockets. This thing's going to work for a long time. Thank you so much.